Are you planning to build a new home? Or does your home need remodeling or repairs? Finding the right construction company sometimes can be difficult. Good contractors should have the capability to build high-quality properties and provide a wide range of services while controlling the cost, quality, and timing. We can help. With an experienced team of professional contractors with specialties across the board, we are always excited to start a new project, no matter what size. We can help with all the details of the construction process, from program and project planning and design to pre-construction, construction, and facility management. We take each project with care and with a focus on open communication and getting the job done right the first time. So, do you want to make your home ideas happen? Contact us today.